Hello, sweet chef.
Hello everyone. One of my favourite things to eat back in England was malt loaf. Remember sorry, that sweet sticky malt loaf you spread with butter? Yeah, well I want it and I can't find it anywhere in Indonesia, so we're gonna have to make it. But, and I say but, there's one thing, it needs golden syrup. And also golden syrup is not, we just can't find it, can we, in Indonesia? So we're gonna have to make that too.
I know.
So today we're going to make golden syrup. Stick around and see how we do it.
To make this golden syrup, we're going to follow a recipe from Todds Kitchen. We need 600 grams of sugar. We need 300 milliliters of water. A slice of lemon.
It's a rainy day, isn't it? Here in Jakarta today. First thing to do, running to Todds, is we get our 100 grams of sugar in there on a medium heat. So there's 100 grams of sugar. Then he says we've got to add 3 tablespoons of water. So we're going to put that in. He says we've got to get the water nice and wet. So we get that nice and wet, and we got to brown this sugar. So just keep cooking it till it goes brown. I think there's more than 3 tablespoons of water there. I think I put too much water in, but I'm just going to cook it through. It is browning. It's starting to go this golden brown colour. I guess this is it's got to turn this colour, then it's going to get it's going to remain throughout the syrup. It will stay this colour, right? So while this is going, make sure you're boiling some water. I'm going to get some boiling water, and we're going to add the boiling water into this. Right, so we're going to add some boiling water slowly, apparently. Yeah, but very slowly, because this is going to spit. Very slowly, very slowly, very slowly, very slowly. There we go, very slowly. So we add the water very slowly. Turn to caramel, isn't it? Oh, look at that. Now we're going to add the sugar. Mix all that in. It's looking a bit dark, but I guess it's okay.
Is it really okay? Because it's looking a bit too dark.
It is looking a bit dark, isn't it?
It's a bit dark in the picture before.
Right, next bit. We're going to get a quarter of a wedge of lemon. I'm just going to drop it in. And then we're going to cook this for 45 minutes, just simmering away on a low heat.
Wait, but
Not even simmering it, is it?
But how will it shimmer? Because I don't understand. Because does the lemon make it shimmer? Or
No, the lemon stops it turning to crystal.
Oh.
So now it's simmering. 45 minutes, just like this. Leave it. Let's come back to see what happens. While it's boiling away, what I've decided to do is start just boiling some jars to sanitize them so they don't get any green funky stuff in them later. Go moldy or anything. Right, it's been 45 minutes. Gonna turn this off. Fish out the lemon, and Todd says don't throw that away. You can eat it later. It'll be like some candied lemon. I've just poured it into a jug because that pan's sometimes a disaster when I pour it. It doesn't pour properly. It runs down there and off the bottom. So I've poured it into a jug to help me pour it into here, into these jars. I must admit, it was relatively simple to make this. I hope it works out good. Let's fill up these jars. I think I'm gonna need another jar.
That's all I need.
Okay, we've had a chance for it to cool down, and now it's at room temperature, so it's actually a very good job, isn't it? Looks like golden syrup. Like the consistency of honey. Or like that, yeah. Perfect. Nice one, Todds Kitchen. Thanks for this. Now we don't need to. Now we can go make our malt loaf. Nice.
Throw the syrup in the lemon.
Yeah.
Bye everyone. Come and watch our Malt video. Bye everyone. Come and watch our Malt video.